Good morning, world.
Good morning, Grandfather Toma.
Good morning, Sori. Emmy, let's fix that line together.
Okay, Sori.
See? Just pull it slowly like this. Oh, I see it now. That's it, you've got it. Good job. Gently like this, Emmy. Let me help you hold it. Like this? Yes, that's it, you've got it. Here, darling, for you. Oh, Sori, it's so beautiful. Thank you. You're welcome, my dear. Ah, the afternoon breeze. Looks like a beautiful sunset, Sori. It always is here. Almost done. This will be delicious.
I brought you some fresh ones.
Oh, Toma, thank you. They're perfect, and dinner is almost ready.
Ah, the lotus tea is excellent today, Sori.
And the coconut cake is so delicious, Grandfather Toma.
I'm glad you think so.
The sun returns to our peaceful village. Look at the rainbow, it's so beautiful! Everything is sparkling again.
Hello there. Good afternoon. Watch out for the current. We will.
The sun is bright, the nets are strong, and life is good all day long.
Good evening, Uncle.
Good evening, Sori.
Hi, Sori.